Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Let's get started with some meteorology. Here is the surface wind scenario for the western world. Pretty strong cyclonic system here in the North Atlantic. Some strong winds at the southern portion of Greenland as well. Next, the jet streams. That's the 250 hectopascal winds. We've got doubled up jet streams over the U.S. and some chaotic jet streams over the North Atlantic continuing, as well as the southern hemisphere showing some pretty chaotic jet stream patterns. Let's take a look at the eastern world. There are the jets of the east. Huge bends in the jet stream there over the North Pacific as well. And a fairly concentrated jet stream over Kamchatka. It's clear skies over Kamchatka, most likely. Tripled up jet stream over places like Australia. Next, the surface winds of this side of the planet. There you go. There are the surface winds. Some strong winds at the border between the Bering Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Continuing on to our countdown. We're only a few hours from the solstice. Make sure you join us for our solstice stream. We'll be starting at about 10:30 a.m. today. We'll be streaming live both to Twitch and to YouTube. So we'll do a simul stream. And we'll be doing screen sharing on YouTube and just a camera on Twitch to mix it up and do something different. What are you doing with your final hours of the fall or your first moments of the winter? Let us know in the comments. Next, we're going to bring up a forecast model here. I think we'll be able to get the right data. We're going to show you a 96-hour forecast here for precipitation and pressure. So just give that a minute. We are streaming live at the moment, folks. And this will pop up a GIF. Okay. It should pop up a GIF. Let's try that again. There we go. So there's a GIF animation of the next 96 hours, which will include the GFS Christmas forecast. And expecting some rain and some snow here in Pennsylvania. Some heavy, heavy snows there in California continuing. You can see all of that dark, dark blue there. So some very heavy snow. Also, it's going to be wet snow. So massive snowfall totals piling up there in California. Insane amounts of snowpack. That's your 96-hour GFS forecast for precipitation and pressure. And let's see what else we've got. We're going to do a snow depth forecast. So that was this is the GFS model. This here is the GFS model. And this is the European model. There's the European model for snowfall through 12 noon Eastern Standard Time on Christmas. Northwestern portion of the country looking a little bit snowy there. Pretty early in the season, wouldn't you say? Next, weather.gov. If your county is lit up, just head to weather.gov and click on your county. Looks like some gale warnings there around Hawaii. And some high surf advisories, so glory days for all of you winter surfers. Yeah, winter surfing in Hawaii is on my bucket list as well. I've got to figure out some locals to go with so I don't get taken out. Anyway, that's your weather.gov map. Again, if your county is lit, just click it. Next, your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. There's some lightning making its way into Florida. Shout out to our Floridian viewers. Let's see if there's any terrestrial lightning at the moment here at lightningmaps.org. I like it for real-time lightning maps. What say you? Have you used it? Let us know in the comments if you've used lightningmaps.org. It could save your you-know-what. You know, your bacon. Anyway, that's where lightning strikes are currently happening. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch, so thanks to all of our Twitch followers. Thanks for leaving comments. Mr. Katoski, Life Force Rejuvenation, Grand Rising, or whatever. Twitch.tv/smAsho. Install the mobile app. It'll tell you when we go live, and we do regularly stream live to Twitch. We're also on BitChute, thanks to our subscribers over there. If you're only viewing on BitChute, make sure you view on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of the content. Don't forget to check the playlists at youtube.com/smashamash/playlists. Please support the channel. Yeah, financially. By becoming a member of the Smash team, there's a silver and a gold paid up level. Thanks to all of our actual paying subscribers. We'll be putting up free publicly visible posts through the year. So for the rest of the old year, we will be posting free publicly visible things at smashamash.com/smashteam. We replaced Patreon with something vastly superior. If you're still on Patreon, cancel your Patreon and become a member of the Smash team. It's better in basically every possible way. If you're in the market for a bike, if you're a prepper and you don't own a bike, we'll tell you what kind to get. You can find links to this as well below the video. Curated.com/e/dan.nigro is where you can find that. Let's get back to meteorology. Here is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. It's part of the NASA GOES weather satellite suite. The NASA GOES interactive weather satellites are just fantastic. Check out this low pressure system. Pretty sweet. It's got some dry air mixed into the middle of it. You can see it's rotating clockwise there. That's what low pressures in the southern hemisphere do. Anticyclones rotate clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Anyway, that's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. Here's the U.S. Doppler Radar Map. We're showing all 50 states. Let's zoom into the lower 48 and focus on that. Looks like some snow falling in places like North Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Let's see what's going on in the cloud layer. Here's the shortwave radiation map. It shows you clouds and fog at nighttime. It's a little too dark to see them with the visible satellite. And here's the water vapor map for the lower 48. You can see a weak low here over Louisiana, rotating counterclockwise, as low pressures do in the northern hemisphere. Check out all the low clouds over the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico as well. Here's your recap. The U.S. Doppler radar. And the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. And last but certainly not least, the water vapor. If your Doppler radar is not showing you what you need to see to figure out what's going to happen with the rain and so on, check the water vapor. It's just spectacular. Anyway, you're also spectacular viewers. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you join us for our live stream later today. We'll be live streaming for the moment of the solstice. Thanks for leaving comments, John. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.